Canadian slang in conversation. When and how to use it. Hey there! Welcome back to our series on understanding and using slang from different regions around the world. Today, we're venturing into the world of Canadian English slang and colloquialisms. This session will help you not only understand the slang, but also master its appropriate use in conversations. Canada, being the mosaic of cultures that it is, has its own set of unique phrases and slang that might sound quirky to outsiders. Just as with any slang, the key isn't just about knowing the words, but also knowing when and how to use them. For instance, while "a" might be quintessentially Canadian, it doesn't mean Canadians use it in every sentence. Loony and toonie. These aren't crazy cartoon characters. A loony is a $1 coin, and a toonie is a $2 coin. Example: do you have a toonie for the vending machine? Double-double. If someone asks if you want a double-double, they're asking if you'd like a coffee with 2 creams and 2 sugars. Example: I'm heading to Tim's. Want a double-double? Giver. This means to put in a great effort or to go fast. Example: the project's due tomorrow? Just give her tonight and you'll finish it. But, remember, using slang in every sentence can make a conversation sound unnatural. Balance is the key. 1. Know your audience. If you're speaking with someone not familiar with Canadian culture, they might get lost or misinterpret the slang. Use slang more with friends or those who have a good grasp of Canadian English. 2. Don't overdo it. Using too much slang can come off as insincere or even mocking. It's a spice, not the main ingredient. 3. Context is everything. For instance, while "I'm just gonna give her" is fine among friends discussing a weekend plan, it might not be appropriate in a formal business meeting. Embracing slang isn't just about fitting in. It's about bridging cultural gaps and connecting on a deeper level. When you use slang appropriately, it shows you respect and understand the local culture. So, next time you chat with a Canadian friend, throw in a double-double or "a" and watch their reaction. We hope this video helps you navigate the delightful world of Canadian slang. Remember, language is alive, ever-evolving, and a reflection of the culture it comes from. By understanding and using Canadian slang appropriately, you're not just speaking, you're connecting. Catch you in our next video, and until then, give her in your language learning journey.